Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a free website using System.io. Most of you might know System.io as a platform that allows you to create email campaign as well as to manage your business in general. But I'm going to show you that you can also create a free web page using System.io. So to create your free web page, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this blogs options on top of your screen. I know we're trying to create a web page. Why are we creating a blog? It's because you can also create a blogs with System.io. So I actually already have one here, but I'm just going to show you to create it from scratch. So I'm just going to delete it for now. All right, now we're going to create our free web page together. So go ahead and click on create and then put on your name. I'm going to name mine Eyes of the Sun. And I can't really change the domain and the URL page, so I'm just going to let it be like that. And after that, System.io are going to give you several templates that you can choose. So take your time on choosing which templates would you like to use for your website. I think I'm going to use on the first ones right here, and you can also preview the templates first before you actually start to customize it. And this is how the template that I chose looks like. I'm going to go straight to edit it. So to do that, I can just go ahead and select the template that's already pre-selected for me, and then I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. All right, it just says that my blog has been successfully created, and to see how it looks like, I can just click on it, and it's going to show me all of the things that I have inside of my web page. So for now, I have around 5 posts and I have 4 pages, and let's see how much categories do I have. I have 3 categories. All of this comes from the templates and are totally customizable. Let's start with the post one. So the template that I chose apparently is a traveling template. And let's say maybe I want to change it as the motivational web page. So what I'm going to do, of course, I'm going to try and delete some of the post. I think I'm going to just leave around 3. And I'm going to try and change this one. And it's going to bring me to the page editor. So right here being shown the original post that comes with the template, and I'm going to change it. Obviously you're going to change everything to what you would like your web page to be. I'm going to change it into a motivational web page, so I'm going to ask the help of ChatGPT to fill everything in, just so to save some time. So I'm going to go ahead and go to ChatGPT. All right, so let's say that I want to ask to create a short article about happiness. Yeah, that sounds nice. All right, so I got these from ChatGPT. I'm just going to go ahead, copy it. All right, so here are the changes that I made for the first page. I changed the title into The Pursuit of Happiness, A Journey's Within, and then there is the content of my article. I also changed the pictures. So in order to change the articles, all you have to do is you can change it directly from the sections right here. But to change your title as well as your pictures, you actually will have, actually, let's save it first. You will have to exit this editor, and you can only edit your title and your pictures if you go back to this page right here and click on this triple dots on the very right side of your screen, and then you're going to want to click on settings. And in the settings, you'll be able to edit your blog post, add some description. You can also add when you will want this specific post to be uploaded. And then you can change your image from the sections right here, as well as putting on which category will your post be categorized to. So I'm going to try to make one more page. So let's play with this one. Again, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, and this time I'm going to try to create a short article about self-healing. Now we're going to wait until it's done. Let's start with the title first. So I'm going to copy it, go back to here, and then I'm going to change this one's right here. So I'm going to go ahead, go to settings, change my title from here. And as for the short description, I'm just going to add the first sentence of my articles, copy it, paste it right here. Then I'm going to change the image. I'm going to choose it. And let's say I want it to be this one. You can also adjust the pictures by dragging on the edges or simply dragging the square right here. And once I'm satisfied, I can go ahead and click on upload. Right, so pictures is uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Let me just delete this ones real quick. Okay. And now let's take a look at the second page. All right, so this is how it looks like. And again, I'm going to change the inside of the article by simply copying everything and paste it over here. Also going to delete unnecessary section, such as this wording and this pictures right here. And okay, so there goes my second page. So let's say that you will want to create a new page. You can do that by simply going back to this section right here, click on create a new page, fill in your title, etc. Let's say this one is going to be about mental health. Short description, the important upload. Okay, this pictures doesn't work. Don't worry, so I'm just going to skip on the pictures, and let's say I'm going to put it on category 1, click on save. And now we got this page that we can edit. So if you're creating page from scratch, you can add your text by clicking on this text right here. A text box is going to appear, and you can just change the text. And you can also create columns if you like. Go ahead and click on the columns that you need. It's going to show the columns. And in columns, you can also add up images if you need. And if you want to add form, you can also add some form or maybe some button that your web page visitor can interact with. You can also add some media. You can also add pictures on the available format or on the available templates by simply dragging. For example, I want to put pictures on my column. I can just drag it, and now I can put pictures on my column. That is a brief way of how you can create a post. Now, as for pages, these are the things that we have for now. We have homepage, post list page, about, and contact. I think the idea of how you edit your pages are going to be very similar with how you edit your posts. So click on setting to change the page name, and then if you would like to change the inside of it, just click on the page you would like to alter or you would like to customize, and then edit it from there. And for categories, you can click on setting to change categories, add a description, and then save it once you're finished with all of your categories. So you can actually change your blog layout if you want. Just go ahead, go to blog layout, and over here you'll be able to change some things. For example, on this menu sections right here, you're going to be able to change on what does your menu consist of. So let's say that the first one is saying, the first one it's home, and it's going to link to the home page. You have the options to let the home page open in the new window or not. And the second one is article, and you can see where it links to. You can also add a custom URL to your menu if you want to. And you can edit your margin, your typography, etc. For this one's right here, I don't really like the image that are put it over here. So I'm going to change it into my own logo. So I have my logo over here. I'm going to go ahead and upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on insert. It's a little bit big. Okay, so there's image size right here. I can just make it smaller if I want to. I think I'm going to make it in 104. I think that's fine. Right, and so that is my image. So again, on the edit page or edit post sections, you're going to be able to add text, add bulleted list, add columns, or add blog content if you want. You can also insert form, button, checkbox, as well as media. It's pretty easy to use, and also it's all free. So if you'd like to create your free web page, you can definitely use system.io as your website. And that is it. That is how you can create your own free website with system.io. Is pretty easy, and feel free to explore around and edit your web page to however you like. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you, and have a great day.